Hello, my name is Andre M. Luna and I'm going to show you the XML integration, web services, and what is the difference of XML integration and web services. XML integration is basically a connector that acts as a translator between customer and suppliers, allowing different formats of programming languages, usually XML, to be compatible. XML is a markup language for a document containing structured information. A markup language is a mechanism to identify structures in a document. XML documents are self-describing, thus XML provides a platform-independent means to describe data and therefore can transport data from one platform to another. XML documents can be created and used by application. Web services is an application or data source that is accessible via standard web protocol. Unlike web application, web services are designed to communicate with other programs rather than directly with users. Web services can provide data in a number of different formats. XML and JSON are the most common. These standard text-based formats can be easily recognized and parsed by another program that receives the data. What is the difference of XML integration and web services? Web services is used for REST, SOAP, and XML RPC for communication, while API is used for any style of communication. Web service supports XML while API supports XML and JSON. Web service is a collection of open source protocol and standard used for exchanging data between system or application, whereas API is a software interface that allows two applications to interact with each other without any user involvement. So that's it.